when the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed. You just remember what your old past said. You got a friend in me. Yeah, you.
What's up, man? What's your name?
Man, I'm Woody 6000. What's up?
You ready to get your butt whooped?
Oh, okay. Let's see.
I'm gonna whoop you so bad, you're gonna wanna delete me as a friend.
Oh, is that right?
Come on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What, huh? What? Oh, shoot. Get the stuff, man, get the stuff. Oh, come on. What did I tell you, huh? What did I tell you, huh? I can beat you with my eyes closed.
Hey, man, hey, say, hey.
Come on. Yeah.
Yeah, kick Buzz's butt. Cut off his wings.
Well, hold on. Stop bothering me.
Come on. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Buzz Lightyear all day. He can fly. I told you Buzz Lightyear can fly. Buzz Lightyear can fly. To the rescue. Woo.
Are you serious right now?
To infinity and beyond. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo.
You serious right now?
Ooh, man, I told you.
Buzz, you can't fly. Buzz, you fly.
Buzz Lightyear can fly.
Oh no, he can't prove it.
I'm gonna prove to you that Buzz Lightyear can fly. I'm gonna come down to your house and knock on your door and knock you out.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. He's coming.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna come to you right now.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, he's coming to the house right now. He's coming right now.
Hey, don't go down. We'll see.
A few inches later.
What's up? What do you want?
I'm looking for Woody 6000.
Oh, he's in the back. Go ahead.
Step aside. Hey, Woody 6000. Hey, Woody 6000. Yo, which one of y'all is Woody 6000 though?
What? I'm Woody 6000. What's up? And this is my horse. What's up? Yeah.
You got a horse?
Two hours later.
What?
How did you get in?
I don't know. How do you get?
Yo, the other horse let me in. What's up? So you were saying on the microphone again that Buzz Lightyear can't fly?
What? Oh, so you want to fly now, huh? You want to fly? I'll teach you how to fly.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hold on, let me go get my wings though.
Oh my God! You hit my horse, bro. What's up?